Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in a Chevrolet Spark. First, ensure your engine is completely cool before starting any work to avoid serious burns. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and skin from harmful chemicals. Have a suitable drain pan ready to collect the old coolant, ensuring proper disposal later. Now let's drain the old coolant. Find the radiator drain plug, typically located at the bottom of the radiator on the passenger side. Place your drain pan underneath. Open the drain plug and then carefully remove the radiator cap to allow air in, which helps the coolant drain faster. Let it drain completely, which might take several minutes. For a thorough job, consider flushing the system. Close the drain plug securely. Fill the radiator with distilled water, then run the engine until it reaches operating temperature with the heater on high. This circulates the water. Let the engine cool down completely, then drain the distilled water. Repeat this process until the drained water is clear. Finally, it's time to add the new coolant. Make sure the drain plug is tight and all hoses are securely connected. Fill the radiator slowly with the recommended coolant mixture for your Chevrolet Spark, usually a 50/50 blend. Start the engine with the heater on high, allowing air bubbles to escape. Top off the coolant as needed and check for leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.